Looking to up your grilling game in 2024? Electric smokers might just be your ticket. These handy gadgets offer a simpler way to smoke your favorite meats without all the fuss of traditional methods. With precise temperature control and user-friendly features, electric smokers have evolved to make smoking a breeze. In this video, I have listed 5 of the best electric smokers to help you choose the perfect one for your BBQ adventures. And remember, links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So let's dive in and explore the top electric smokers of 2024. Number 5. HE Profile Smart Smoker. It is best precision control electric smoker on our list. To begin, remove the protective plastic sticker from the control panel. This innovative indoor electric smoker uses active smoke filtration, turning real wood smoke into warm air for various dishes like smoked brisket and pork butt. It features precision smoke control, combining separate heat sources for burning pellets and cooking foods, ensuring precise temperature control. With 6 preset food settings including brisket, pork ribs, chicken wings, and salmon, anyone can achieve amazing results. Additionally, it offers 5 adjustable smoke settings for experimenting with different smoke flavors. Made of cold-rolled carbon steel with enamel inner material, this smoker weighs 45 pounds and operates on electric power. Its sleek carbon black color adds elegance to any kitchen. Number 4. East Oak Digital Electric Smoker. Looking for the best convenience electric smoker? This one might just fit the bill. Picture this, a side wood chip loader that keeps the smoke going for hours without needing constant attention. Plus, with an 800-watt heating tube, your meats are guaranteed to turn out tender and juicy every time. It's not just about the features, it's about the size too. This 30-inch smoker comes with 4 removable racks, so you can smoke a variety of foods at once. And with a glass door and internal light, you can keep an eye on your food without opening the door and letting the heat out. But it's not just about convenience. It's about control too. With a digital control panel and remote, you can monitor and adjust the temperature and time from wherever you are. And with 3 layers of high-quality materials, this smoker is built to last, so you can enjoy perfectly smoked food for years to come. And if you ever need assistance, don't worry. With a 3-year warranty and lifetime customer support, we've got you covered. Number 3. Char-Broil 18202077. It is best value electric smoker with 544 square inches of cooking space, powered by a 1200-watt heating element and insulated cooking chamber. Featuring a door-mounted temperature gauge, 3 chrome-plated cooking grates, and convenient dual-door latches to keep smoke and flavor in. Made with alloy steel outer material and stainless steel inner material for durability. Cleaning is easy with an aluminized steel water pan, wood chip tray, and grease tray. Its convenient carrying handles make it easy to position. Backed by a 1-year warranty on the lid, grates, and other parts. Available in classic black color. Number 2. Gizmos Coast 330. I recommend this as the best reliable electric smoker. It's made of stainless steel and has a 548 square inch interior, perfect for smoking various meats and veggies. With 3 removable chrome-plated steel racks, it's easy to smoke large cuts of meat and clean up afterward. The built-in thermometer allows for easy monitoring of the internal temperature. Plus, the 1500-watt heating element can reach temperatures from 100 to 400 Fahrenheit, controlled with a simple dial. Stainless steel trays hold wood chips and water, simplifying the cleaning process. It's a great addition to any patio or barbecue kitchen due to its vertical footprint. Number 1. Master-built 30-inch digital electric. And this is my top pick for best overall electric smoker on our list. It's a vertical digital electric smoker with 710 square inches of cooking space. You can easily set the cooking time and temperature up to 275 Fahrenheit with its digital controls. The patented side wood chip loader allows you to add wood-fired smoke flavor without opening the door, maintaining smoke inside for enhanced low and slow-cooked dishes. With 4 chrome-coated smoking racks, it's spacious enough to fit up to 7 chickens, 2 turkeys, 4 pork butts, or 4 racks of ribs. The removable water bowl adds moisture and catches food drippings, while the rear grease tray ensures an easy cleanup process. An adjustable air damper gives you control over smoke, and a lockable door latch retains heat and smoke inside the fully insulated smoker. Plus, there's a convenient window to monitor food during the smoking process. It's a reliable choice for delicious smoked meals without the hassle. And that wraps up our rundown of the best electric smokers for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned griller or just getting started, these smokers have got you covered. For the latest prices, make sure to check out the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy smoking!